皆さんこんにちは、ビキです。明けましておめでとうございます。今年もよろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, Happy New Year. How are you doing? I wish you all the best in 2022. Alright, today I would like to share the episode 3 for kanji nan or nani no matome. Okay? Alright, previous two episodes we have learned in the first episode, it's about nan. Do you remember nan? The first episode we will have learned nanyobi. Yeah, nanyobi. What day? Yeah. For example, 今日は何曜日ですか? 皆さん今日は何曜日ですか? What day is it today? 今日は何曜日ですか? 今日は水曜日ですね。水曜日。Yeah, Wednesday. 水曜日。Okay, in the episode 2, we have learned about nani. Yeah, nani. Nani itself, yeah, it means what. You can just use by itself. In the episode 2, do you remember what we have learned? We used nani. Yeah, we have learned about want and want to remember want something. Yeah, 何か欲しいですか? Do you remember we have learned about Christmas? クリスマスは何か何ね何か欲しいですか? 欲しい want ね欲しい want いいですか? And we have also learned want to yeah, for example 今日は何をしたいですか? What do you want to do today? 今日は何をしたいですか? いいですか? What do you want to do today? Alright, so in today's episode, episode 3, today we're going to learn also noun. Yeah, so we're going to learn the pronunciation noun. Today we will use the example about this kanji over here, gatsu. And later I will share with you also about getsu. Okay, getsu. Alright, so shall we begin first? Let's quickly go through the onyomi about the numbers, because that's what we will use later when we talk about the months of the year. Alright, so let me erase all this. Yeah, I'm wondering, have you learned about the onyomi and kunyomi? Okay, so in today's lesson, we are going to use the onyomi. Yeah, onyomi. So just in case if you're wondering what is the difference between onyomi and kunyomi, yeah? So for the onyomi, it's actually the pronunciation based on the creative, based on the Chinese pronunciation. Yeah, so today we're going to go through the numbers 1 to 12 in onyomi, because today we're going to learn what months. Yeah, what months. Alright, so何月. Okay, today's first topic, we're going to talk about 何月. 何月, what months? 何 means what? What months? いいですか? What months? Yeah? 今は何月ですか? 今は何月ですか? Okay, we have just entered 2022. 今は1月ですね. 1月, right? Okay, so let's go through the onyomi of the numbers 1 to 12. Yeah. So the first one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. So as I mentioned just now, onyomi, it is the pronunciation created based on the Chinese pronunciation. All right. So first, let's read the numbers because for the months of the year, it's very simple. Yeah. So you just need to use the numbers plus the kanji, guts. Then it will become 12 months of the year. All right. So the onyomi of the kanji. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in the onyomi number 9 is ku, which is you hear very often now. Most of the time is pronounced as q, q. Okay, so for 11 it's 10, number 10 plus 1, right? So 11. Then number 12 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So now you could easily guess the 12 months of the year, right? So the numbers on the left plus guts, it becomes 12 months of the year. All right, 一緒に読みましょう。一緒に読みましょう。Let's read together. Okay? 1月、2月、3月、4月。ね、4、OK? Number 4、4月。5月、6月、7月、8月、9月。ね、This one is a special one. 9月、10月、11月、12月。ね、さっきの質問、just now I have asked you the question. 今は何月ですか？何月。皆さん、今は何月ですか？1月ですね。1月。ちなみに、お誕生日、your birthday。お誕生日。お誕生日は何月ですか？お誕生日は何月ですか？私の誕生日は9月ですよ。9月。何々は何々ですか？ Yeah, this is a very basic sentence pattern you need to use when you ask simple questions. Yeah, so one over here, it is the topic marker. It brings out the topic you want to talk about. Yeah, so for example, お誕生日は yeah, talk about your birthday. Yeah, then 何月ですか over here is like ASMR, and then the ka and turn the question to turn the sentence to a question. Yeah, so here is like is. Yeah, is like what month is your birthday? お誕生日 your birthday. Yeah, by adding on the o to 誕生日 it makes the word sounds more polite. Yeah, お誕生日は何月ですか? Okay, 何月. So we are just asking about what month is your birthday. Yeah, so do you remember? If you would like to ask when, do you remember the word for when? It's. お誕生日はいつですか? Yeah, when is your birthday? ですか? Okay, so let's read one last time ね for 12 months of the year. Okay, いいですか? You can refer to the ひらがな on the signboard ね. Okay, so 1月、2月、3月、4月、5月、6月、7月、8月、9月、10月、11月、12月. Yeah, so number 10 and number 11 and number 12, you just need to use the 10, 10ね, plus 1 and plus 2, right? Hi. Okay, so now the interesting things, we change the reading of this kanji. Ne? Okay, so I delete this. So now we're going to change the readings of this kanji on the board and to make it a totally different meaning, yeah? Okay, so now let's change it since we are changing, so I'm just using green, eh? So now let's change the reading to gets. Ne? Get. Remember just now it was guts. Ne? 12 months of the year it was guts. But now we have changed the reading to gets. Gets. Ne? Gets. So now it has become a totally different meaning. Yeah. Okay, for example, today's topic, episode 3, it was about noun, right? The noun. So now we use the kanji nan kagets. So look at, you see, it looks similar, but because the reading has changed, so it became a totally different meaning. Yeah. nan kagets. How this is nan kagets, ne? How many months? Yeah. So nan kagets, ne? We changed the reading of this kanji to gets, and we in front we add on the nan kagets. When you ask about how many months, it be how many months? Nan kagets. Yeah, just now nan kagets. It was like what months? Now nan kagets. Nan kagets. Yeah, it has became how many months? How many months? So now we're going to use the numbers and learn how to count for how many months. Yeah. So because there will be a few special ones changing the pronunciation, so I'm just to highlight with the red. Yeah? So number 1 is ichiba. However, when you talk about 1 month, it's 1ヶ月. There is a little tsu over there. 1ヶ月. 1ヶ月. Then 2ヶ月. 3ヶ月. For number 4, we use 4ヶ月. 4ヶ月. Then 5ヶ月. 6 is a special one also. 6. So now I erase this for your easy reading. 6 is 6. However, 6 ね。Yeah, 6, although it's 6, but when you talk about 6ヶ月ね, there is a そこつ little つ this guy here, TSU ね。6ヶ月 6ヶ月ね。Okay? So, ヶ月 yeah, ヶ月 okay? So, 1ヶ月 2ヶ月 3ヶ月ね。Then number 4 4ヶ月 number 5 5ヶ月 number 6 6ヶ月 okay? And then for number 7 it will be 7 or 7 or 7 then 8ヶ月 9ヶ月 10ヶ月 11ヶ月 12 Okay, so for number 7, 7ヶ月、7ヶ月. Basically, both are correct, but depends on who you talk to. Some people will say 7ヶ月. Some people will say 7ヶ月. ね、7ヶ月. Sometimes the 7 and 1 because it's easy to misunderstand. So sometimes people might prefer say 7ヶ月. ね、7ヶ月. Then number 8, yeah, 8 months, 8ヶ月, ね、8ヶ月. Then number 9, it's 9ヶ月, ね、9ヶ月. It's Q, not ku, yeah. Ku, it's very hard to say. It doesn't sound nice to say 9ヶ月. Yeah, so it's 9ヶ月. Okay, 9ヶ月. Then number 10 is 10, 10, ね. But over here, 10 is 10. However, when we say the ヶ月, yeah, actually there is a circle over here. Yeah, 10ヶ月. 10ヶ月. いいですか? And then for number 11 months, yeah, remember 10 is 10, 11 is 10 plus 1, yeah. 1 is 1ヶ月, yeah, so 10 plus 1 is 11ヶ月. 11ヶ月. There will be a circle over here. Okay, circle over here. So number 10, there is also a circle on over here. 네? little 2, and little 2. Yeah? Okay, little 2 over here. Yeah? So 11 months is 11ヶ月. 12 months is 12ヶ月. 12ヶ月. ね? 12ヶ月. Then it will become 1 year. 1年間. 1年間. Yeah? How many months? 12 months and equal to 1年間. 1年間. 6ヶ月 over here. 6ヶ月 is 半年 6 months. 半年. ね? 12 months is 1年間. Oops. When you don't write the kanji too often, you will kind of forget it, regardless if you are a native speaker or not. 1年間. Yeah, so same as Chinese kanji. If I don't write often enough, yeah, although I'm a native Chinese speaker, I can also forget how to write Chinese kanji. Yeah. And for the Japanese kanji also, if I don't write often enough, I sometimes forget how to write as well. Yeah. So 12ヶ月. 12ヶ月 is 1年間 1 year. ね、1年間. 6ヶ月 半年 半年. ね、いいですか? So now a question to everyone. 皆さん、日本語をどのぐらい勉強していますか? 日本語をどのぐらいを勉強していますか? How long have you been learning Japanese language? 1ヶ月ですか? 2ヶ月ですか? それとも半年6ヶ月ですか? 半年ですか? それとも1年間ですか? 1年間ですか? It will take a lot of time to master a language. Yeah, so ね、少しずつ、ね、take your time. Yeah, so interest is a lot more important. Take your time and step by step. Yeah. So one day you will get a lot better. Alright, so this is today's summary about 何 regarding to what months 何月 and how many months 何ヶ月. Okay, so I really hope it is useful to you, and I will try my best in 2022 to create more videos when my work is not too busy. Okay, so I hope you find it useful, and if you like it, if you find it useful, please click like and share. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye. またね.